Hello, how are you? I hope you're well. I am Pauline Jogi from PNN Crafts. Today I'll show you how to crochet baby's hat for newborn. Make 34 chains, 3 to 6 months, 38 chains. This is for a bigger baby. Make 50 chains, and also the number of rows you're going to increase. You make 60 rows. For newborns and 3 to 6 months, make 50 rows. So let us get started. Make a slip knot, chain 38, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. After making 38 chains, work single crochet across, then ensure at the end of this row you get 38 single crochet. So you'll work 38 single crochet up to the end of the chain. At the end of row 1, ensure that you have 38 single crochet, chain 1, turn your work. To start row 2, we'll work single crochet across of the back loop. So ensure at the end of every row you have 38 single crochet. At the end of row 2, make the last single crochet, chain 1, turn your work. Row 3 will continue with single crochet on the back loop. So work single crochet on the back loop up to the end of the row. Chain 1, turn your work. So you'll continue working on the back loop until you finish 50 rows. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. So you're going to join these together. Join this with single crochet. At the end of the row, you're going to join with a slip stitch, chain 1, then pull, return your work. So here we are going to use the needle. You will insert your needle like this, then you'll take it through all round. Heart is done, so you're going to insert a pom-pom. To make a pom-pom, ensure that you have a long yarn there, then you use your palm so you're going to make 100 rounds. So insert your crochet, pull up that loop, then ensure that it is tight. Insert, take your needle,